What's good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video. Guys, today we are going to be talking about one of my favorite things, and that's how you can make your own graphic tee to sell, to have, to wear for you, your brand, or your business. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, party people, so graphic tees. I love a graphic tee. They are fun, they're easy to get made, they're easy to sell, and they are just a great money maker in my mind. Graphic tees never go out of style. I've been wearing them for years. I'll continue to wear them. So I think graphic tees are a really great way to get yourself making money in the creative space. I love a graphic tee, and I think they are great sellers, especially for creative businesses and for people who really want to have like a clothing brand and stuff like that. So without further ado, today we're going to be talking about how you can get your own graphic tee made on Fiverr. Today's video is sponsored by Fiverr, and I'm going to be doing something so fun. So I'm contracted 3 independent freelancers to make graphic t-shirts for me, and I'm going to show you the results, the process, and how it all works and how fun it is. If you're not familiar with Fiverr, Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can go on and hire pretty much anyone. They have website designers, logo designers, graphic tee designers. You can get interior design spaces. You can get a resume made. I mean, whatever creative or anything you need for your business, definitely check out Fiverr. I will make sure I'll link everything down below on what I talked to about today and all the people that I've used on Fiverr. But I hired 3 different freelancers at 3 different price points: $25, $40, and $70. And I'm going to show you the process and how you order things on Fiverr, you know, what I told them I wanted and what they delivered, and to see who made the best graphic tee. Was it the most expensive, the middle range, or the least expensive freelancer on Fiverr? So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. When you first log into Fiverr, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the home screen and all the options that they think that you would like to use. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is type in graphic t-shirt to show you guys the options that I had to choose from. So you can go through the site. You can select by budget. Say you only have $40 to spend, you can put a max budget of like $40, and then you can look through all the sellers that offer graphic tee designs for $40 and under. So it's really great. And then once you do find a design, like say for instance you like this crazy rabbit design or whatever, then you can go through, you can see if all their other deliveries are things that you enjoy and that you like, and you can go ahead and order. Now what's cool about Fiverr is they offer most sellers offer 3 different tiers. The basic tier, whatever's highlighted in green, is what you'll get. So you get 1 initial concept and 1 high resolution item for $10. For $30, you get that same thing, but you get 3 days delivery, unlimited revisions, and you get a few more things under the standard, and then so on and so forth for the premium. So now I'm going to take you into one of my actual orders and show you how the process is once you order. So you go ahead and place the order and you submit your requirements. So your requirements are the details of what you want your shirt to look like. So these are what I submitted to the sellers, to all 3 sellers. I submitted the same exact thing, saying that I wanted a vintage car t-shirt with the color palette that I showed and some pictures of a vintage pink car and palm trees in the background. Nothing crazy, very simple. These are the photos that I sent over, so they would have an idea of what exactly I was looking for. And this is my color palette with the actual color numbers on there, and a few shirts that I liked that I kind of wanted something to resemble that. So just as simple as that. And then you go ahead and you work with your freelancer. Everything is done in the app. Your conversation is recorded in the app. everything is there to protect the seller and to protect you. And this is such an easy and cool transaction, and is a way to help a freelancer and another small business owner. So now I'm going to go into the 3 different t-shirts I got made at my 3 different price points at $20, $40, and $70. Show you guys the results, what I got, and what you think about the t-shirts, and make sure to let me know what your favorite is down below. So without further ado, let's get into that. So we talked about Fiverr. I showed you how you can get everything done. Now I want to show you my deliveries and what I think about them. So I have the pictures of them on the phone because they're going to be on the screen just so I can look and kind of talk to you guys about it. But this is the first delivery. This was $20. Yeah. So I didn't do any revisions. I think we could have gotten to a point where I like this more, but I really wanted to show you guys without just putting so much effort into it, you can really get what you want. So this first one, I would recommend it. He didn't use any of the color palette items that I sent, and with the color palette, there's like color codes, like a pound, that's usually like 5-digit whatever number or code. He used none of those, and I'm pretty sure this is like a stock image, and he just put Good Life at the top. So wasn't too happy with that one. Would not recommend that seller. And that was, again, $20. And sometimes you get what you pay for, if you know, that's what it is. Now the $40 t-shirt. So the $40 t-shirt is my favorite. He really got what I wanted. And again, I gave those same descriptions and requirements to each seller, and I got really 3 different things. This t-shirt I love. I will make sure I link the seller down below if you want to use them to get a t-shirt made for yourself. But this seller was great. They took everything that I asked. They used the color palette that I asked for, and they gave it that really great graphic tee look, like something like this. You know, this was purchased from a store. It has that look that you would get a graphic tee from a store. It has that look, and that's what I really enjoyed about it. Like, I don't know how to explain. I don't know if it's like the sizing, or it could be that he also did a really great mock-up. The t-shirt, as you can compare to the first one, which I'll just show you again real quick, there was no mock-up, and they just showed me the graphic, and that was it. So I think this one being on the t-shirt so I can physically see it, the great design, and then also the brick background around the t-shirt was an extra little, you know, extra little specialty thing that not everyone does, and I really enjoyed this. And this was a $40. So if you want to go come up with a line of like 5 t-shirts at 40 bucks a piece, that is not bad to get a whole brand started. So definitely I would check them out, because I think they're a really good option to get a graphic t-shirt made. And again, 40 bucks, guys, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. I'm not gonna go into what all, you can't beat it. And now we're going on to my $70 option. So my $70 option, and I'm just, you know, again looking at it on here, I think they did pretty well. They kind of gave me the same type of vibe as the t-shirts that I showed on my requirements, and he did do a pretty good delivery. Also, I do like that the design was on the mock-up. What I can say about this, about the $70 one, is that I just think for the price point there could have been a little bit more design. I do enjoy the Good Life. I always have brain farts when I record. I do enjoy the Good Life tag on the top, the license plate. Do like the Good Life license plate. I like the thought that went into that. I don't like the faded in background, because usually if you are gonna do a t-shirt, there's not like a fade in. There's usually just like one big graphic. So I did not like that. But overall, I think it was okay. I say I give it about 7 out of 10. And that was the $70 option. So overall, guys, let me know if you thought number 1, number 2, or number 3 was your favorite. Me personally, number 2 was my favorite option. They were right in the mid price point as well at $40. So I would definitely recommend this seller. Like I said, I will link them down below. And I would recommend all the sellers. Not the first one maybe, because I just didn't think any thought was put into the graphic or even the directions were followed. But the other two, even with the third one, if I would have gave him more direction on what I actually wanted, then I think he would have hit it spot on. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted to just go in and give everyone the same directions and see what I got as a result. And I am very pleased. The $40 one was my favorite, and I'm probably going to be getting it made into a t-shirt. And I'm going to show you guys in new videos, in another video, how you can get your graphics that you get made on Fiverr and turn them into actual products. So stay tuned for that. But what do you guys think? Was number 1, number 2, or number 3 your favorite? Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, even just knowing about Fiverr. If you didn't know about Fiverr and what all you can do and how easy it is for you to get stuff made for your brand, especially graphic tees. As promised, I'm going to be showing you guys how, if you want to make your own graphic tees, how you can do that in another video, as well as I am going to be showing you how you can then take that graphic, like the one that I got made here, and turn it into an actual physical product. And I think that is going to be the game changer for a lot of people. So stick around. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see all this goodness that's going to be coming on the channel. So appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.